Is black coffee healthy? Black coffee has become a popular pick-me-up in the morning and an afternoon energy booster. But what exactly is black coffee, and is it actually healthy? In this video, we will take a look at what black coffee is, the potential health benefits of drinking it, and how to brew the perfect cup of black coffee. What is black coffee? Black coffee is one of the most popular drinks on the planet, and for good reason. Not only is black coffee delicious, but it has a variety of health benefits that are hard to ignore. One of the biggest benefits of drinking black coffee is that it can help to improve your cognitive function. Studies have shown that people who drink black coffee regularly have better memory retention and are less prone to age-related cognitive decline. This is because black coffee contains antioxidants and other beneficial chemicals that can protect your brain from damage. Health benefits of drinking black coffee. Are you wondering whether or not black coffee is healthy? Well, the answer is yes, in moderation. While there are a number of benefits to drinking black coffee, including improved memory and reduced risk of certain diseases, it's important to note that these benefits are relative to how much caffeine is consumed. Too much caffeine can have negative effects on your health, so it's important to be mindful about how much coffee you're drinking each day. How to brew the perfect cup of black coffee. Is black coffee really healthy? The short answer is yes, black coffee does have some health benefits. In fact, it has been shown to improve mental focus and productivity. However, it's important to know how to make the perfect cup of black coffee in order to maximize these benefits. To start with, always use cold water when brewing black coffee. This will help to reduce the acidity and bitterness of the drink. Next, use a proper grind. Too fine a grind will result in poor flavor and harshness, while too coarse a grind can lead to grounds in your beverage. Finally, be sure to add beans that have been roasted properly. Dark roasted beans are typically the best choice for making rich and flavorful black coffee. Benefits of black coffee for your health and well-being. One of the most important benefits of black coffee is that it reduces your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. A study published in The Lancet showed that people who drank 2 or more cups of coffee per day had a 37% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes than those who didn't drink coffee. Black coffee also has many other health benefits, including reducing the risk of certain types of cancer, improving cardiovascular health, managing weight, boosting energy levels, and reducing the risk of depression. If you're looking for a healthy drink that can boost your energy levels and improve your mood, then black coffee is definitely worth trying out. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now to watch even more videos.